Hey friends, and welcome back to your girl. We have the cutest and simplest little traveler's notebook clutch. What? Yes. So this thing is so stinking cute. It's really quick and easy. It's something that you can make bunches and loads of and give them to your crafty friends or just to anyone who likes to journal and save pictures, or you know what to do with a traveler's notebook. All right, so we're going to go over and look at this one really quick, but we are going to make a completely different one, and I will show you soon what that one looks like. So get all your supplies, get your stuff in gear, and we're going to get ready to go ahead and make this. But before we do, make sure that you are liking and commenting on all videos, because when I choose a winner of my giveaway, yes, I'm hosting a giveaway. If you haven't read the description box, you don't know which video I will be choosing the winners from. So for further details, look down below in the description box so you know how you can participate and be included in the giveaway. So let's do this. So starting off, we are going to take our base piece and we are going to fold on the score lines. When you're done with that, I'm going to go ahead and use my corner rounder and round the corners. You don't have to, but I think it does look a bit nicer. We're going to take our hole punch and we are going to punch holes in our little clutch purse here. So figure out what is your left hand side, so what's going to be your opening, and you are going to punch 2 holes in that 1/2 inch little spine piece on the top and on the bottom. I am now going to add eyelets into the holes that I punched. These little teeny tiny mini ones I got from the Eyelet outlet, Brad and whatever thing it's called, but I'm pretty sure you can find them on Amazon as well. Now I'm going to take some scrap that was about 2 inches, I believe, and I'm going to round just the bottom portion, and I'm going to create a pocket. So I'm just going to add a thin line of glue on the sides and what's going to be the bottom, and then attach it to the right flap of our book. Next, we're going to do some waterfall pages. You can do as many as you like. I'm just going to go ahead and do 4 of them. And we're going to have this cord folded at the 1/2 inch mark. And then we are going to actually place this on that middle panel of our booklet. So when we attach these, you want to start with your first one. You can go as high as you want, or you can go as far down low as you want, depends on how you're going to decorate it. And I am taking my ATG tape plus some glue, and I'm going to take this down about an eighth of an inch or so from the top. And now I'm going to take my bone folder, make sure that is smoothed down. I'm going to take my next waterfall and I'm going to line that up directly underneath that previous waterfall. And I'm going to do this to the rest of them. Now we're going to apply our stretch cording. I am going from the inside on out, and we're going to make this super cute by adding some beads and buttons and charms and all sorts of fun stuff. Do it how you want to, make it yours. Once that's done, I'm going to tie the ends together on the inside, making a couple knots to make sure that it's secured, and then snip off the excess. And then we are going to repeat this process on the other holes. Now we're going to grab our inserts. We're going to score them in half and fold them. Mine are plain as day. I only have only two of the pattern papers left. And so I just took some of the solid cardstock from the Happy Haunty collection that came with it and added those in there. And I'm just going to decorate those because I've almost killed this collection and I didn't have any more of the pattern paper. But it is what it is. So you could do as many as you like. I have, I believe, was it 3 of each going in my little binding pieces. So now I'm going to work on my closure. I'm actually out of my Velcro dots, so I'm going to punch a hole and add an eyelet, and then I'm going to add some seam binding in for my closure. And then from here, all you got to do is decorate it. Make it cute, make it however you want to do it. If it's going to a crafty friend, jazz it up a bit. If it's going to someone who isn't in the crafty world, you know, go ahead and kind of make it a little bit more simple, so then that way you don't confuse them. But I really like how this turned out. It's very quick, super simple. You can knock these out so quick, and I hope you guys do enjoy this one. And if you make it, make sure you go ahead and tag me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I would love to add more people to the crafty family. And until next time, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.